before you do anything, do the usual YouTube thing. Click like, subscribe, blah, 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 and all the other stuff buttons. And support the channel because I'm still going, and I think it's like 3 years now. So, weekly what's new. Let's make this quick. Weekly what's new. Spring is here. Maple season's here. It was 3 degrees out today, and my garage feels like it's still -4. So until the temperature adjusts in here, it's gonna be fun. I got a patch of grass out there I can do some welding on, so I'm gonna try to get that frickin'. I gotta get the bottom of the sandblaster patched up. That's the first thing that's gonna happen because I need to sandblast this thing mildly. I got a couple little welding things too. Got to drill some holes out. We're moving on the channel. We're getting some stuff done. I got some parts in. I might farm this out to somebody else. I don't know for now. We get that done. I'll do some videos. Just same shit, usual stuff. You know, work on the house. My back is killing me from work. It's not so much that lifting the stuff is heavy. My truck is like this high, and I got to duck down. When you got to walk in there like a hunchback after the 100th time, it usually kills. It's just weird. Maybe I just need to join a gym and strengthen the back. I don't know. I don't got time for a gym. I'm always doing something. So, with that said, channel's still going. Still making videos. Just it's hard when you're busy. It's actually pretty tough when it's -13 in here. So I had no problems putting what do you call it? Taking some bearings out and putting them in or whatever it was I was doing last time I was in here. So with that said, I'll make this a short weekly what's new. There's mostly a couple of parts reviews coming, a couple of tool reviews. I'm ordering another Fat Nancy shirt. This one's got a slight rip in it, and yeah. I'll make some bike riding videos. I got a few more ideas. I'm building a shelf, but I don't feel like recording it. It's just like, whatever. I don't think you want to see like 4 hours worth of sanding and like 5 minutes of screws. I'm like, ta-da, shelf's done. Because pretty much if I edit out all the boring stuff, that's what I could do. I took an old, my father, they tore out his old, the old stairs in our old shop. They put new fancy like house. They turned into an apartment. My nephew turned it into an apartment. It was an old warehouse for my father. It's attached to my father's old store and house. And my mother gave it to my nephew. So he made a nice apartment. And I took the stair treads out of the dumpster, and I've had them for a while. The stair treads, you could perfectly good. They're pine, nice big thick boards. So I decided to take the stair treads and turn them into a shelf. But before doing it, I had to sand off the layer of I don't know, 10 years of freaking abuse and whatever. So I got most of it pretty good. I bought another thick piece of pine because they're like at least 2.5 inches. I don't know, 2 inches thick or more. 2.5 inch board stair treads. They're thick. They're not the little skinny 1 inch oak ones there. These are quite fat. So sanding them all down. Now I cut them all to length. Now I'm gonna build a nice little thing, but I had to sand them first because there's like half stained, some are stained. There's glue all over them. I mean, they were in the dumpster, so I figured use them. It's gonna make a pretty hefty freaking what do you call it? Little shelf for my kids. So I made the shelf. I think about 5 feet high. I got the sides. I have the bottom little kick plate, and I think there's maybe 6 shelves on it. Not too big. It's only about maybe 8 inches deep. Small, let's put little toys on it. But it's gonna be a nice meaty shelf, and I'm gonna go the extra mile. I gotta get my router out. I'm gonna route out all the edges so they're nice and round, and normally I just leave them in square and whatever, and I want to put a little adjustable feet hidden inside so I can, because if the floor is crooked, the shelf stays straight. That's my goal anyway. So a couple of them are a little bit bowed, but you know what? I'm gonna leave it. It's a homemade shelf, and they could suck it up and burn it for firewood one day if they don't like it. With that said, I hope you like the channel. Got a few more yappity videos. I got a couple of videos that I was actually working on stuff in that frame. If I can get the other triple tree back, is next week is getting the front put on, because I'm bringing the other triple to get redone, and I'm going to take this one off and see what's going on. So yeah, I am so close to putting this together. In fact, I got a whole box of bolts I got to go over it. So stay tuned.